If you've ever felt like time is slipping through your fingers, like your body is aging faster than it should, you're not imagining things. Imagine a clock ticking inside every single one of your cells, relentlessly counting down, accelerating faster than you realize. What if I told you that, at this very moment, your body might be aging at an alarming rate, a process scientists can now literally see under a microscope? The protective caps on your very DNA are shrinking with every breath you take, every meal you eat, and every stressful moment you endure. This isn't just a feeling, it's a stark biological reality. And the good news is that understanding it is the first step toward reclaiming your vitality and extending your healthiest years. For decades, 3 Nobel Prize winners dedicated their lives to uncovering the profound secrets behind why this cellular aging occurs, and more importantly, how we can dramatically slow it down. Their groundbreaking discoveries reveal not only the intricate mechanisms governing our lifespan, but also empowering, accessible ways to tap into our body's innate ability to regenerate and thrive. Chapter 1: The Guardians of Your DNA, Telomeres and the Power of Protection. In the intricate universe within your cells, there's a constant battle against the relentless march of time. Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn, a recipient of the 2009 Nobel Prize, revolutionized our understanding of aging with her discovery of telomeres and the enzyme telomerase. To easily visualize telomeres, think of the tiny plastic caps, known as aglets, found at the ends of your shoelaces. These caps are crucial. They prevent your laces from fraying and unraveling. In a remarkably similar fashion, telomeres serve as protective caps on the ends of your DNA strands, safeguarding your precious genetic material. Every single time your cells divide, whether to replace aging skin, heal a wound, or mount a defense against infection, these vital telomeres become a little bit shorter. The consequence? When they shrink too much, your cells lose their ability to function correctly. They age prematurely, they become dysfunctional, and eventually they simply die. This cellular decline isn't just a cosmetic concern. It's a primary trigger for some of humanity's most debilitating and fatal conditions, including heart disease, Alzheimer's, diabetes, and various forms of cancer, illnesses that tragically claim the majority of lives. Dr. Blackburn's extensive research, published in leading medical journals, unequivocally demonstrated that chronic stress acts as a potent accelerator for telomere shortening. In one poignant study conducted with psychologist Dr. Elisa Eppel, mothers dedicated to caring for chronically ill children exhibited telomeres that appeared biologically a full decade older than their chronological age. The longer these mothers bore the burden of caregiving and the more profound their feelings of stress, the more severely their telomeres eroded. However, here lies the extraordinary breakthrough. You possess the power to shield and even restore your telomeres through strategic dietary and lifestyle choices. Transformative research published in Lancet Oncology showcased that individuals who adopted specific lifestyle modifications, which crucially included integrating certain foods, experienced an astonishing increase in their telomerase activity, the enzyme that rebuilds telomeres, by 29% to a remarkable 84% in a mere 3 months. Dr. Dean Ornish collaborated with Dr. Blackburn on this pivotal research, and a subsequent 5-year follow-up study further solidified these findings. Participants committed to these changes saw their telomere length increase by 10%, while the control group's telomeres continued to shorten by 3%. The secret to protecting these precious DNA caps lies in foods bursting with 2 powerful traits: an abundance of antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids. A study from Ohio State University, published in Brain Behavior and Immunity, corroborated this, finding a direct correlation between higher omega-3 levels and longer telomeres. Further investigation from UCSF, where Dr. Blackburn conducts her research, tracked 608 heart disease patients over 5 years, revealing that those with the highest blood levels of omega-3s exhibited the slowest rate of telomere shortening, a finding published in the Journal of the American Medical Association. Additional research in clinical nutrition reinforced that omega-3 fatty acids embedded in tissues can significantly reduce telomere attrition and actively counteract premature aging. Even vitamin D plays a role. A large trial called VITAL found that vitamin D supplementation reduced telomere shortening by 140 base pairs over 4 years. To actively protect your telomeres, incorporate wild-caught salmon, sardines, mackerel, walnuts, and flax seeds for a rich supply of omega-3s. For DNA damage-reducing anthocyanins, reach for blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries. Load up on spinach, kale, broccoli, and colorful bell peppers, which deliver essential vitamins C and E, along with folate, all crucial for DNA protection. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice, alongside legumes such as lentils and chickpeas, provide vital fiber and B vitamins. Studies confirm that folate is indispensable for DNA synthesis, repair, and metabolism within your cells, as high levels of homocysteine, which folate helps regulate, are directly linked to shorter telomere length. Research in the European Journal of Nutrition revealed that individuals consuming carotenoid-rich foods, those vibrant pigments found in colorful fruits and vegetables, boasted significantly longer telomeres. Even mushrooms deserve a place in your diet, as vitamin D content is associated with telomere length, according to a 2017 study in the Journal of Nutrition. Chapter 2. The body's inner cleanup crew. Autophagy and cellular renewal. What if your body possessed an incredible built-in recycling system capable of literally consuming its own damaged components to regenerate and stay perpetually young? This seemingly miraculous process is known as autophagy, a term derived from Greek meaning self-eating, and its profound significance was unveiled by Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi, who earned the 2016 Nobel Prize for his groundbreaking discovery. Autophagy represents your cell's ingenious mechanism for survival and renewal, allowing them to literally digest their compromised parts. Dr. Ohsumi's pivotal research began in the early 1990s, focusing on yeast cells. He meticulously deprived them of essential nutrients and genetically modified them to prevent the complete digestion of cellular material. Within mere hours, under his microscope, he observed tiny recycling sacs, aptly named autophagosomes, accumulating within these cells. This singular observation was the spark that ignited an entirely new field of scientific inquiry. His discovery unequivocally proved that autophagy is not a random event. It's a precisely orchestrated process, specifically triggered by nutrient deprivation. This acts as a sophisticated survival response, prompting cells to meticulously recycle old proteins and damaged organelles, repurposing them for energy. This cellular self-cleaning is absolutely indispensable for longevity, as it actively prevents the toxic buildup of cellular junk that would otherwise lead to aging, inflammation, and disease. When autophagy was first identified in the 1960s, its purpose remained largely a mystery. It was Dr. Ohsumi's meticulous work in the 1990s that pinpointed the specific genes responsible for autophagy in yeast, and crucially demonstrated that remarkably similar mechanisms exist within human cells. His revolutionary experiments fundamentally transformed our understanding of cellular health and the aging process. Compelling research published in numerous peer-reviewed journals demonstrates that simply fasting for periods of 12 to 24 hours can powerfully trigger autophagy. Scientists have found that restricting calories effectively switches on genes that push cells into a preservation mode, rendering them remarkably resilient to disease and cellular stress. A recent 2023 study published in Science Direct examined healthy young males during Ramadan, where they fasted for 17 to 19 hours daily over 29 days. Blood samples from these participants showed a significant increase in autophagy-related genes, with activity peaking around the mid-fasting periods. This robustly confirmed that intermittent fasting is a potent activator of these crucial cellular cleanup mechanisms. Further insights come from blue zones, regions across the globe where people routinely live vibrant lives well past 100 years old. In Ikaria, Greece, for instance, residents observe approximately 150 days of religious fasting annually. This age-old practice, combined with their nourishing Mediterranean diet, rich in vegetables and olive oil, is a significant contributor to their exceptional longevity. Moreover, Exercise is another powerful activator of autophagy. Research consistently demonstrates that moderate aerobic activity and endurance training effectively induce autophagy in both muscle tissue and brain cells. Studies in mice have shown increased autophagy with regular treadmill exercise, and emerging human data suggests that exercise regulates autophagy in tissue-specific ways. Beyond its role in longevity, autophagy has also been directly linked to offering protection against debilitating neurodegenerative diseases, such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. To harness this profound process, consider practicing time-restricted eating, where you confine all your meals within an 8 to 10 hour window. For example, by eating only between noon and 8 p.m., you provide your body with a crucial 16-hour period without food, allowing autophagy to actively begin. Say goodbye to constant snacking. Aim for 4 to 5 hours between meals. Autophagy truly kicks into gear only after your liver's glycogen stores are depleted, a process that typically takes 14 to 16 hours. During your fasting windows, you can freely consume water, black coffee, or green tea without interrupting the fast. When you do eat, certain foods can further support autophagy. Green tea, for example, is rich in EGCG, a compound known to promote autophagy. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower contain sulforaphane, which actively activates autophagy pathways. The key to success is consistency. Your body thrives on regular fasting periods to reliably trigger this invaluable cellular cleanup system. Chapter 3: The Architects of Life, Ribosomes and Protein. Power deep within every single cell of your body. There are astonishingly tiny, yet incredibly complex, factories tirelessly at work. These are your ribosomes, the subject of Dr. Venkatraman Ramakrishnan's shared 2009 Nobel Prize in Chemistry with Thomas Steitz and Ada Yonath, a prize awarded for revealing their atomic structure. Ribosomes are the fundamental architects of life, translating the genetic blueprints from your DNA into every single protein your body needs. These proteins are the building blocks of your tissues, the warriors that fight infections, the diligent repair crew that mends damage, and the countless workers that drive thousands of essential processes, keeping you alive and thriving. Quite simply, every protein in your body owes its existence to these microscopic powerhouses. Maintaining healthy, efficient ribosomes means your cells can continuously produce proteins with optimal precision and speed. This ensures your tissues remain strong and resilient, fortifies your immune system, and crucially, helps to slow down age-related decline. Dr. Ramakrishnan, through sophisticated X-ray crystallography, meticulously mapped the ribosome structure at an atomic level, providing unprecedented insights. Research published in Nature Communications has since confirmed that safeguarding ribosome function through optimal nutrition can extend both overall lifespan and, importantly, the period of healthy living, often referred to as health span. To support these vital cellular factories, focus on high-quality proteins that supply the necessary amino acids. Wild-caught fish, pasture-raised eggs, grass-fed meat consumed in moderation, and plant-based proteins like hemp seeds and spirulina offer complete amino acid profiles. However, quality often trumps sheer quantity. Studies suggest that a moderate protein intake, roughly 0.8 to 1 gram per kilogram of body weight, optimally supports ribosome function without overwhelming other cellular processes. Interestingly, consuming excessive protein can, in fact, be counterproductive. Beyond protein, essential minerals play a crucial role. Magnesium, for instance, is absolutely indispensable for ribosomes to operate effectively. Excellent sources include pumpkin seeds, almonds, spinach, and dark chocolate with 70% or higher cocoa content. A mere quarter cup of pumpkin seeds can provide nearly half of your daily magnesium requirements. Furthermore, foods rich in B vitamins are vital for ribosomal production. Leafy greens, avocados, and legumes supply essential folate and other B vitamins critical for the creation of ribosomal RNA. The concept of caloric restriction has also shown promising results in supporting ribosomal health. A study in Nature Communications observed that a moderate reduction in calories in mice led to a lifespan extension directly proportional to the degree of restriction. This phenomenon works, in part, by alleviating the metabolic burden associated with constant ribosome production, allowing cells to redirect precious resources toward repair and maintenance rather than incessant growth. Adequate sleep is another non-negotiable factor. Research published in Nature Neuroscience revealed that sleep deprivation in older adults significantly disrupts ribosomal activity. Your cells perform much of their repair and regeneration, including processes involving ribosomes during periods of restful sleep. Aim for a consistent 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Finally, physical activity, particularly resistance training, is a powerful enhancer of protein synthesis efficiency. Studies indicate that resistance training in older adults stimulates ribosome biogenesis and markedly improves muscle protein synthesis, a key factor in maintaining muscle mass and strength as you age. It's fascinating to observe how the foods and habits that nurture ribosome function seamlessly overlap with the principles uncovered by the other Nobel discoveries. Nutrient-rich diets, sufficient sleep, regular exercise, and mindful eating all harmoniously work together to ensure your body's vital protein factories operate smoothly and efficiently for decades to come. A blueprint for longevity, your daily eating plan, and lifestyle harmony. Armed with this Nobel Prize-winning science, let's synthesize these powerful insights into a practical daily eating plan and holistic lifestyle approach designed to optimize your cellular health and extend your vitality. Your daily eating plan. First meal, around noon, respecting your fasting window. Start your day with 2 eggs, perhaps scrambled or poached, alongside a generous portion of sautéed spinach and tomatoes. A handful of blueberries and a cup of green tea will add a boost of antioxidants and EGCG. Midday meal. Construct a large, vibrant salad with a diverse mix of greens and colorful vegetables. Add chickpeas and pumpkin seeds for plant-based protein and magnesium, then dress with a simple blend of olive oil and lemon. Complement this with a side of quinoa or brown rice for complex carbohydrates and fiber. Evening meal, finished by 8 p.m. 2 to 3 times weekly, enjoy wild-caught salmon or another fatty fish rich in omega-3s. On other nights, opt for lean protein sources. Pair your protein with steamed broccoli and Brussels sprouts for sulforaphane and other vital nutrients, and a sweet potato or lentils for sustained energy and B vitamins. Between meals, if truly needed, and within your eating window, keep snacks light and nutrient-dense, such as a small handful of walnuts and berries, a square of dark chocolate, 70% or higher cocoa, or sliced vegetables with hummus. Timing matters. The most crucial aspect of this plan is adhering to time-restricted eating. Aim to finish your evening meal by 8 p.m. and refrain from eating again until noon the following day. This consistent 16-hour fasting window is essential for activating autophagy, allowing your cells ample time to repair and regenerate instead of being constantly occupied with processing food. During your fasting periods, hydrating with water, black coffee, or green tea is encouraged and will not break your fast. These aren't merely magic foods. They are potent fuel for the intricate microscopic machinery that sustains your very existence. They actively protect the precious caps on your DNA, powerfully activate your body's inherent cellular cleanup system, and diligently maintain the efficiency of your protein factories. Beyond nutrition, integrating other cornerstone lifestyle habits will create a symphony of health. Stress management. Incorporate stress-reducing practices like meditation or deep breathing for at least 12 minutes daily. Chronic stress, as we've learned, is a telomere destroyer. Physical activity. Engage in regular physical activity, such as brisk walking or cycling, for at least 30 minutes on most days. This supports all 3 longevity systems. Quality sleep. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of quality, uninterrupted sleep each night to allow your cells to repair and rejuvenate. Social connections. Nurture strong social connections. Studies consistently show that supportive relationships are profoundly linked to longer telomeres and overall well-being. The unstoppable power within you, a Nobel legacy for your life. True longevity isn't found in expensive treatments, fleeting fads, or elusive miracle supplements. It resides within the sophisticated self-healing systems your body already possesses, systems validated by the highest scientific honors. 3 Nobel Prize winners have, through decades of rigorous research, provided us with an undeniable roadmap to a longer, healthier existence. Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn unveiled the critical role of telomeres, demonstrating that protecting these DNA caps through conscious diet and lifestyle choices can actively prevent the onset of diseases that claim the majority of lives. Dr. Yoshinori Osumi revealed the marvel of autophagy, proving that regular fasting periods can activate your body's innate cellular recycling system, clearing out damage and promoting renewal. And Dr. Venkatraman Ramakrishnan meticulously demonstrated that nourishing and supporting your ribosomes with quality nutrition keeps your essential protein factories running with peak efficiency. The cumulative research spanning over 20 years unequivocally confirms that telomere shortening, a lack of active autophagy, and declining ribosome function are direct contributors to cardiovascular disease, Alzheimer's, various cancers, and diabetes. These are not mere theories. This is Nobel Prize-winning science, meticulously backed by thousands of peer-reviewed studies, offering us a profound understanding of our own biology. Every single meal you choose, every conscious breath you take, and every healthy habit you cultivate is a powerful opportunity. It's an opportunity to send unmistakable signals to your cells, instructing them to repair themselves, to protect themselves, and to stay strong, vibrant, and resilient. The most liberating aspect: you don't need to follow this perfectly from day one. Start small, build momentum. Begin by adding more colorful vegetables to your meals. Experiment with eating within a 10-hour window a few days per week. Make a conscious effort to include fatty fish twice weekly. If this profound information has illuminated a clear, actionable path toward healthier aging for you, then please share this video. Send it to a parent, a spouse, a friend, anyone you care about who harbors the desire to live a longer, healthier, and more fulfilling life. Type yes in the comments below if you're ready to embrace and actively support your body's own incredible natural longevity systems. Your future self, brimming with vitality and well-being, will undoubtedly thank you for the wise and empowering choices you make today.